Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a natural remedy for cleansing the intestine from infections and bacteria. So stay tuned and find out how I make this drink. This remedy, I'll be making use of cardamom. Here I have cardamom pods. So I'm going to peel to get the seed. Cardamom is a special spice that has some antibacterial properties, good for treating digestion problems. So I'm going to peel to get the seed. It looks like this is a wonderful seed that has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to lower blood sugar, promote oral health, and also good for digestion. Of 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Feel free to use fresh rosemary, a rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It will help to boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. It will also help to flush out harmful toxins from the body. I'll be using a mortar to crush the seed. When I'm done crushing the cardamom seed, I will set aside. I'm going to add the rosemary and the crushed cardamom seed into the pot. I will also add some water and leave to boil for about 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, I will remove from the heat. Then I'm going to strain to get the tea. It is ready. This tea is very effective and it also helps to relieve stomach issues and also improve digestion. You can decide to add lemon. That this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.